All right, we've got breaking news coming in from the national capital, where it's been confirmed that the MCD elections are likely to take place in the third week of April. So, of course, we understand that now the fight will be in the national capital, with some news coming in that the MCD polls, the local body polls, will take place in the third week of April here in Delhi. So the AAP, the BJP and the Congress will now be fighting it out for the MCD polls. The Aam Aadmi Party will be looking, of course, to recover from the poll dropping that they received in the 5 state elections and make amends in the MCD polls. We've got Ashutosh joining us with more details on the story. Ashutosh, any date that's really been confirmed at this point on when the MCD elections will take place?
Well, Akshita, Election Commission, the State Election Commission will be announcing the poll date for the MCD poll this evening. But just ahead of that, in a major development, almost all the political parties, those have been defeated in the recent 5 state assembly polls, have raised a concern over EVMs. A number of political parties alleging that EVM malfunction. So in that case, certain parties like CPM, CPI, JDU, NCP, Congress, and the Aam Aadmi Party members have raised questions over EVM. And just following that complaint, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has written a letter to the Chief Secretary asking him to direct the State Election Commission to conduct coming corporation poll, the MCD polls, not by EVM but by ballot. At the same time, the Election Commission, the State Election Commission, will be announcing the poll dates this evening at 4 o'clock. And what we are hearing from our sources, that MCD polls will be held in the 2nd to 3rd week of April. As of now, what we are getting the date, it could be 16th of April when the MCD will go under poll, but there is no clarity yet, as the Election Commission will be the State Election Commission will be announcing it at 4 o'clock this evening. Akshita?
We'll know exactly when the MCD polls will take place. As of now, it's being said that it will happen in the 3rd or 4th week of April. But even as, of course, we talk about these developments, the AAP has already jumped into the MCD poll mode. After BSP Supremo Mayawati, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will raise the EVM tampering bogey. Facing defeats in Goa as well as Punjab Assembly polls, Kejriwal will break his silence today on the EVM tampering issue. Earlier in February, remember, Kejriwal had tweeted against Punjab officials, accusing them of removing EVM machines from a college in Nabha. And soon after this, now Kejriwal has written to the Delhi poll panel seeking for EVMs to be removed and ballot paper system to replace the same.
ईवीएम की विश्वसनीयता पे समय समय पर सवाल उठता रहा है और एक समय आपको याद होगा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगातार इसके खिलाफ अभियान चला रही थी। और अगर लोकतंत्र के अंदर लोगों की, राजनीतिक दलों की ये डिमांड है तो इसको सरकार को भी गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए, चुनाव आयोग को भी गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए।
ईवीएम मशीन पे आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है कि ईवीएम मशीन
ईवीएम में गड़बड़ियां हैं, ऐसा कहा जा रहा है।
जो हारता है कोई तो बहाना बनाता ही है।
All right, let's go back to Ashutosh, who's getting us all the details on the story. An interesting demand has been put forth by the Aam Aadmi Party there. Ashutosh, you were giving us details about this earlier as well. It looks like AAP is already in the MCD poll mode, and they believe that there could be tampering if electronic voting machines are used. Give us details about the letter that's been shot off by Arvind Kejriwal.
Mozo namaskar.
All right, I will get back to Ashutosh in just a bit, but this is the latest development that's come in at a time when Arvind Kejriwal has been very, very vocal about the misuse of EVMs that he alleges happened in Punjab as well. He's now asked for the MCD polls to take place with a ballot paper system.